car moves from A to B with uniform speed v1 and returns to A with a uniform speed is v2. Then average speed for we have to calculate average speed for this round trip, isn't it? Now according to this problem, they given 2 points, 2 positions A and B. There are 2 positions A and B. See here, A to B. A car moves from A to B. A car moves from A to B, isn't it? From A to point B with a velocity v1, and it is returned to the point A, again, and return to the point A with a uniform velocity v2. See here, when he is going from A to B, he maintains the uniform velocity v1, and when he is coming to A from B, he is maintain the uniform velocity is the v2. It is nothing but a complete round trip. Now in this situation, A to B distance is equal to B to A distance. Now I am writing here A to B distance, if you assume as S, A to B distance is equal to S, B to A also distance is same. A to B is equal to AB is equal to distance AB is equal to SAB is equal to SBA is equal to, I am writing distance is nothing but both are same. Now we know average speed formula. What is average speed is equal to? Average speed is equal to total distance by total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance divided by total time. Here what is the total distance means? The car is going from A to B and B to A. So what is the total distance? AB plus BA. Total distance is nothing but AB plus BA divided by total time. For going the time taken, it is, I am writing it is T1 time interval. For coming A to B to A distance, the time interval it is nothing but T2 time, isn't it? Now AB is equal to SAB is equal to S distance, and SBA distance is nothing but S only distance. So average speed is equal to, you can write average speed is equal to S plus S divided by T1 plus T2. And we know very well here it is equation number 1. Now time is equal to, we know one formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Now for A to B, I am writing it is for A to B distance, when he is going from A to B, time interval we taken it is T1. T1 is equal to distance. A to B distance is nothing but S. And A to B, the car maintain a speed is V1. So that is V1. Next B to A. Next one it is B to A is equal to, now I am writing it is for this one T2. Time T2 is equal to B to A. It is B to A. It is for B to A. So time is equal to distance by speed. So time B to A time interval I am taking T2, and distance is equal to B to A distance is also same S, that is S, and speed is equal to, when he return to A, he maintain a uniform speed is nothing but V2, that is V2. Now this is equation number 1, it is equation number 2, and it is equation number 3. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2, equation 3 in equation 1. So average speed is equal to total average speed is equal to, we already written S plus S divided by T1 plus T2. S plus S is equal to, that is the 2S. S plus S is the 2S. T1 is equal to S by V1. And T2 is equal to, here T2 is nothing but T2 is equal to S by V2, that is equation 3. And take the common here, yes. Take the common, it is S. 2S if you take the common, 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. S get cancelled. S get cancelled. What is the LCM here? LCM is V1 V2 LCM V1 V2. When you take the LCM is V1 V2 means here V1 is there. So what we can write here? V2. Here V2 is there means here V1 will become. So denominator goes to numerator. Average speed is equal to 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Average speed is equal to 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So in these four options, which one is correct? Fourth option is the correct one. It is the fourth option is correct. And I want to extend this one. For round trip, what is average velocity? What is average? For this question only, if they want to calculate average velocity means average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. What is the displacement for round trip? See here, the car is going from A to B and B to A, isn't it? Now here in final position is A, initial position is A. So what is the distance from A to A? It is 0. So it is nothing but a displacement is a shortest distance from initial point to final point. Here initial point is A, final point is A. So both are coinciding. At that moment displacement is 0. And total time is, if you take T1 plus T2, that is equal to 0 by something is the 0. Average velocity is 0 and average speed is equal to 2V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2.